Welcome to Don't IEP Alone, the only podcast dedicated to helping parents navigate the IEP process and hosted by a special education advocate. Your host has been attending IEP meetings for over a decade and has helped thousands of parents go from an IEP rookie to an IEP all-star. Be prepared to learn tips that will be a total game changer for you as a parent advocate and, most importantly, your child's outcomes. Partnered with the award-winning Blog a Day in Our Shoes, you'll be confident, knowledgeable, and actually looking forward to your next IEP meeting. Don't IEP alone. Get ready. Here's your host, from suburban Philadelphia, Lisa Leitner.
Hey everyone, welcome back. Today is present levels. I love talking about present levels. I really do. I am working on a blog post. I can't believe that I don't have a blog post on present levels. So I'm going to work on one. Hopefully it'll be published at the same time as this podcast or around the same time. But why do I love present levels? I love present levels because it truly is the most important part of the IEP. I don't know if you guys can hear that noise in the background. That's my dog. She's an old girl and she's trying to get up on the wooden floor. Okay, go lay down, Mango. In other news, we just got our results back. She had a big lump on her side, but it's just a fatty tumor. So you can insert your own Arnold Schwarzenegger joke there, but very relieved that it's not cancer. Anyway, that's my old girl Mango. So back to present levels. Okay, girl, go lay down. I know I said her name, so now she won't leave me alone. You will see this referred to in different ways. Some folks just call it present levels. Some call it PLOP, or the plop, for present levels of performance. And other places call it, let me think if I can get it right, PLAAFP, which still they kind of refer to as plop. And that's for present levels of academic achievement and functional performance. Interesting side note, I looked at a blank Delaware IEP today, as I do when I'm preparing these podcasts. And on the blank one for Delaware, it says PLEP, for present levels of educational performance. However, don't let that distract you. Functional skills are absolutely included on an IEP. Can be. It's defined many times in IDEA. So, none of this. It's only for academics, blah, 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 blah. I get tired of hearing that. It's not. So, present levels. Like I said, it is the most important part of an IEP. Why? Because it is the section of the IEP that drives everything. It's going to be the section that determines the goals and therefore supports and services, therapies, instruction, all of it. Chances are, and if you've been on the blog, you know that I have a free 5-part IEP troubleshooting course. And step 1 is to go get your IEP and look at present levels. Actually, that's not step 1. I think that's step 2. Step 1 is I tell parents to just kind of brainstorm or do a brain dump on their child and just list like everything about your child. Like if you were going to write present levels, just start out with bullet points of what each thing that you would want included about your child in present levels, and just write it all out in a bullet point. Then go look at present levels and see if it matches, because you want the child on paper to match the child in front of you. So if you want your child to have some instruction in social skills or accommodations for executive functioning, accommodations for anxiety, all these different things, then that particular item must be listed as a need in present levels. Present levels should be strengths-based, so you want to start with the child's strengths and build on those. Many times I have seen present levels sections that are either just a copy and paste of the latest evaluation report, or sometimes it's not even that. It's just a line that says, see latest evaluation report. You do want, obviously, your evaluations and assessments, the results of those, you want those in present levels. But I don't think that present levels begins and ends there. I live in a really noisy town, I've discovered since I've started podcasting. Do you guys hear that train? My windows are open because it's nice out, and I just keep hearing this train horn. Anyway. You do want like I said, you do want your most recent evals and assessments, but in present levels, I think it should go one step further and state how those results or how that area of need is affecting the child's ability and their education. It's not just about the test scores. Also, in present levels, and this is another weird Pennsylvania thing, on the Pennsylvania IEP, there is a separate section of present levels where our parent concerns go. It is not like that for every other state, but parent concerns go in present levels. I'll do more on parent concerns in a different podcast, but I shouldn't have even said that. It gets people confused. Anyway, I'm going to back up a bit. So, read your child's present levels section. Does it describe them accurately, thoroughly, everything? If there's something missing from present levels, maybe, like I said, social skills, executive functioning issues, pragmatics, whatever it might be, if something is missing, then there's an area of disability that has not been identified. So I would ask for more evaluations. If you've already had outside evaluations done in that area, you can say, hey, I took my child to a local OT clinic. They evaluated him for social skills. I'd like that included as part of his present levels. They might do that. Saves them an eval. But if you want it addressed in the IEP, it needs to be in present levels. So you're either going to ask for more evaluations, different evaluations. If you disagree with what's in present levels, then you should ask for an IEE or independent evaluation. And then lastly, for Pennsylvania parents, if something is not in present levels, we have the ability to get it in present levels by putting it in our parent concerns. And that's a nice little treat. I wish all states did that, because for us, that's a huge part of our paper trail. Because parent concerns is part of present levels, we can put it in there, and it's in there, and we can say, I still have concerns about my child's social skills as evidenced by, blah, 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 if the school has declined to do a social skills assessment. Okay, we can get it in there. Okay, so really wrapping up, it's the most important section of the IEP. Again, how many times have I said that in 10 minutes? It is the most important section of the IEP. That being said, there's not a whole lot to say about it. It should include every area of need. It should include all their strengths. It should include their evals and assessments. So if the child described in present levels is not a thorough and accurate description of your child, that's your starting point. So ask for evaluations, ask for independent evaluations, and proceed from there. Okay? That's it. Present levels. Have a great day. Please review the podcast and share it with your friends. Thank you.
Thanks for listening to the Don't IEP Alone podcast. No parent should have to IEP alone. And with A Day in Our Shoes, you don't have to. For more IEP assistance and letter templates, visit adayinourshoes.com. For ongoing assistance and support, follow our Facebook page and group.
Me, I could fly up to the sky.
Every day I'm on my road, but today is the day that I meet you, my baby. Hope you're going to stay.
It's gonna be okay, gonna make my day. Go my way, it's gonna be okay, gonna make my day. It's gonna be okay, gonna make my day. Go my way, it's gonna be okay, gonna make my day. Go my way. It's go my way. Go my way. It's go my way. It's go my way.